days, and that was a little scary. But if you think I've had a lot of hairstyles over the years, wait until our next guest gets out here. She doesn't just change her hair every year, even every month. Sometimes she changes it every single day.
Different for you. This is my Diana Ross, and this wig I call my Jacqueline Blondissimo. 8-inch. So this wig is called Southern Lady Realness, and I'll tell you why.
Please welcome the woman of 1,000 hairstyles, the one and only Wendy Williams.
I just tumbled on top of you there. I would have crossed you. Hey, buddy, how you doing?
So you're known for your fabulous hair.
Yeah.
And, I know the amazing collection of wigs, which we have some of them here today. But you also have a picture with you, which shows you.
Okay, can you turn that off in a second? What you said about these wigs?
You know, I work in Jersey. I do have hair. I have very long hair.
Bye.
Probably the same length of